Hey, guess what? I'm so thankful that you have been rocking with me in this 30 days with Kajabi, all about how to monetize, scale, and get paid to speak, this 30 days with Kajabi series. And listen, if you haven't watched any of the previous videos here, you can go watch all the previous videos here. I think this is today is day 27. So you can see all the previous 26 videos here with Kajabi. Kajabi is an amazing, beautiful tool. And what I want to do in this video, I want to show you some individuals that have been using Kajabi to scale and to grow their business. I may even pull up some of their websites so you can see what this thing actually looks like. All right. So listen, if you haven't grabbed this tool, you can go over to monetizeyou.co/Kajabi, monetizeyou.co/Kajabi. And when you click this, you're going to come over to this website. Okay. Come over to this website where it talks about how you can get access to your free trial. But what I want to do in this video, I want to show you how some of these amazing people are using Kajabi for their own use. Okay. This is one of my clients, April Mason. She helps women and men make an identity switch. She spent a lot of space in the dating community, the helping people find mates and helping men and women find the invisible values on the inside of them. And she's a speaker. She's this amazing author. She has just an amazing platform. One of the cool things that she does have, she has a lot of courses, right? Courses and content, and we've helped her make multiple six figures, right? From this content. She has some new books that are out. She has a new book called Your Invisible Value, The Invisible Value, I believe it is, The Invisible Value, and just an absolute blessing. And she's done it all on Kajabi. Okay, there are some things here. She has some coaching programs, some community programs, the pictures, the content, all of that, all under Kajabi. Then I have a buddy here, Willie Moore Jr. All right, Willie Moore Jr., he's a radio personality. And Willie, he has a radio show. You've maybe seen his radio show. So we put his demo video.
See, my mama was just like you. She kept saying, nah, my baby is this. And you know what? My mama got a chance to see me living this life that I'm living.
And so Willie has just a dope, amazing platform. He has a Workout with Willie program where he helps people with their fitness.
They have let me bring
Willie also
back to the gym. And they said I can bring 25 more people.
All right. Flat Out Family. This is now where he helps individuals from his radio show, send them to a landing page, and it's all on Kajabi. When you click over to his page, he has a shop, some things that you can buy from his website. He got some courses, got some t-shirts, got some books, got some other really cool things there, all on Kajabi. This is different. Essence China. Essence China. She helps women embrace their purpose and live authentically bold, where now she's a speaker. But I love Essence. She also has a Rare Essence Academy, I believe it is. Oh, it's further down. Yep, it's further down on my page here. There she is, rareessenceacademy.com. Under Rare Essence Academy, it is a natural hairstyling school program. She brings people in for 12 weeks, and guess what? Making six figures, plus by setting up things under her Kajabi, being able to have courses and programs and tutorials. And guess what? People can sign up for a hands-on training.
The vibe was amazing.
Right?
I mean, they were very helpful.
People can sign up for her coaching. Right? She even has a podcast, like we've talked about before, all under Kajabi. Why? Because she's taking advantage of that under Kajabi. These are individuals that I've all worked with, okay? Individuals that I work with. Let me go back to the main page there. Let me go back to the main page. Might have been on the wrong one. Monetize You, Kajabi. Right, then we have And my man, Dr. Raymond Trigg, right? He's a former policeman, and he's been promoting his speaking engagements, helping build safer schools. Got a demo of what he does. And guess what? It's all under Kajabi. All under Kajabi. We can go for days. Here's my buddy, Marquell Russell, right? Amazing businessman and CEO. He helps help people build their businesses without them involved, showing people how to scale their business. Guess what? He does it and can do it all under Kajabi. Now you look here, you got his podcast, he has his blog. Under his blog, he has articles and YouTube videos, all there under his blog, all done inside of Kajabi. Then I got my man, Dr. Joe, right? He has a community, like over 2,000 people that he's serving with his health and wellness type of program, all under Kajabi. Let's see what else we have here. Yeah, we have Ashaunda Davis. Ashaunda, she helps white coat professionals build their business, and she does this all under Kajabi. Well, not build their business, but she's helping them with their finances, okay? She's helping them with their finances. We help white coat and white collar professionals create wealth. She's able to sell her book. She's able to get individuals to buy into her speaking, okay? This is all up under Kajabi. Like I said, she has her books there. People can request a call for her. People can do different things all inside of Kajabi. Like, we can go for days looking at all the amazing people that are doing 6 figures plus with this. I love my guy, Rashad Sanders, right? Rashad Sanders, he helps busy professionals move from chaos and confusion to clarity and calm. So he's been doing mindfulness trainings inside of schools and organizations. This website is built all under Kajabi. Of course, there I have myself. Yeah, this is really cool, right? This is really cool. So the opportunity that you have to make 6 figures using Kajabi, you can do it. From speaking to books, to courses, to coaching, to podcasts, to emails, to webinars, to surveys, to looking at your analytics, to being able to just run all the things that you need in your business under one major platform. And if you haven't grabbed your version of Kajabi, listen, click the link down below, right? No pressure, because guess what? Click that link, you're gonna go and get a free trial where you can play with it for the next 30 days. And you can go back to the videos I've already put here where you can go through now and just work through this. And you choose to stay on past the 30 days, you're gonna get access to my bonus gifts. I'll give you 3 programs. One's called Kajabi, your one business tool. Another program called Money Making Website, where I show you the website. I give you the templates that you can use and just import right inside of your Kajabi. The ones that are proven, the ones that work, and give you access to money making content. This is a bunch of templates that you can use to be able to create the content and the things that you need for your business. Listen, I am absolutely thrilled that you watched this video. Now listen, if you haven't watched the previous 25 videos, hey, you can get them here from this playlist. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.